Hello, I'm Mrs. Pearce, Head of Design and Technology, and today I'm going to talk to you about why you should consider studying EduCast Design and Technology GCSE here at Carshalton High School for Girls. Design and technology is a science, technology, engineering and maths, or STEM subject. We live in a rapidly changing world and we have the ideas and technology to deal with that change. In 20 years' time, there'll be new technologies and careers that have not even been thought of yet. Can you be that person that has a breakthrough idea? In design technology, you will learn about design technology in this 21st century, as well as technology that's gone beforehand. Through a range of design and make assignments, you'll learn about the 6 core areas of design and technology. The core areas are timber and man-made boards, metals and alloys, papers and boards, polymers, electronics and textiles. This will then allow you to choose your own specialist focus area later on. This GCSE supports many transferable skills such as time management and teamwork. You'll need plenty of passion, patience and perseverance. You'll not only use your maths and science skills but other subject knowledge such as geography when we study renewable energies and ethics in the environment. And we also look at the history of products and fashions and why those changes occurred. What was happening in society at the time to influence those changes? The future is looking to you as a designer of the future. How do we know what we need and how do we know what we want? Who is telling us this? By studying this course, you could influence the products we are using or wearing in the future. Do you ever wonder how something works? Do you notice when a product doesn't work and wonder how you could improve it? Do you like to make and fix things? Do you like to problem solve? Do you like to design by drawing or making models? If so, this could be the course for you. Did you know that textiles can save lives? As part of this course, we'll be studying smart and modern materials and their uses. Smart materials respond to a stimulus such as heat and can change shape or colour. Would you like a piece of clothing that kept you at a constant temperature? Imagine wearing a piece of clothing in the winter that had its own heating system. But imagine also wearing that same piece of clothing in the summer to keep you cool. Or imagine wearing a piece of clothing that could send a message just by the power of thought. In this course, you will look at how you could use electronics and programming within textiles. Will we see you promoting and selling your ideas on Dragon's Den? Sometimes it's about having an idea and sticking with it. James Dyson made 5,127 tweaks and modifications over a period of 5 years to modify his vacuum cleaner before he was ready to go to market. During this course, we encourage you to take part in competitions such as the Design Ventura competition run by the Design Museum up in London. Use the QR code on the corner of this page to find out about Squid London designs and their amazing colour-changing inks. Another area that you will study is how the design industry impacts the environment through the sourcing of materials, whether they are dug up from the ground or grown or synthetically produced, to the energy used in the manufacturing and distribution of the product, and what happens to that product or textiles item when you no longer want it. The course is assessed through a combination of written assessment and practical coursework tasks, each of which is worth 50% of the overall grade. For the coursework, which begins in June of Year 10, you'll be given 3 starting points which you will then use to explore your ideas. You'll then choose one of these design briefs to develop further to create a prototype in a material or materials of your choice. This is the fun part, exploring different techniques and challenging yourself to produce an innovative product. This is an amazing course that offers so much to you and to the people that will benefit from your thoughts and ideas. A lot of students say to me, "I can't draw." My response is always that you can learn and you can communicate through making models. It's not all about the drawing. We'll also be using computer-aided design and manufacturing skills as well. The design industry can be divided up into sectors, with each sector focusing on a different part of the industry. This means that if you're interested in becoming a designer, you have the choice of designing across a number of sectors. For example, being a sportswear designer, designing trainers, or designing specialist new materials for the construction industry, such as AstroTurf, which is made using textile materials. Professor Roger Kneebone, who teaches surgery to medical students at the Imperial College London, has said that there is an increasing concern that students have become less competent and less confident in using their hands. He said that if students who have very high exam grades but lack tactile general knowledge. So if you want to study medicine or become a vet, learning to use the tools that we use in design technology is a good start. You only have to watch the super vet, Noel Fitzpatrick, to see him using the tools and equipment that we use in school. The practice starts here. There are many different career opportunities that this course could lead to, and many different ways of getting there. You could use this course as a stepping stone to A-levels or an apprenticeship. Students who have studied A-level in our design and technology department have gone on to study product design and engineering at university to prepare them for a life in industry. Business recognises the important roles that engineers play in today's society, progressing ideas and technologies. Engineers are highly sought after today, and they will be in the future. Watch the clip to find out more about a career in design engineering and development. There are many more than this one article here.
A device engineered to combat diabetes.
Solutions to save our air from tire wear.
Wearable technology for knee rehabilitation.
Breast cancer screening at home.
A real-time detection of IV infiltration.
35% stronger than traditional ceramics and also uses lesser energy to fire.
Made from waste products from agriculture to replace the polystyrene hives.
The James Dyson Award means good engineering and good design.
Doing more and better with less.
As designers, I think we have the power to make big changes.
Don't be afraid to fail, but be afraid to not try.
If you have any further questions about this amazing course, please ask your DT teacher or email me. Thank you for listening. Take care.